It all started with a timeless dream, the urge to reach beyond our world and touch the stars. In 1977 that dream took flight. Voyager 1 was launched, carrying humanity's hopes into the unknown. Voyager 1 wasn't just a piece of technology, it embodied our curiosity and ambition. Its mission, to journey to the giant planets, places we'd only ever seen through distant telescopes. We sent it on a voyage that would outlive its makers, a symbol of our endless quest to understand our place in the universe. Picture it, a species on a tiny blue planet building a spacecraft and flinging it into the cosmic abyss. Voyager 1 became our distant eyes and ears, exploring realms we could only imagine. Its first task was to visit Jupiter and Saturn, to capture their swirling storms and enigmatic moons. But its true fate was even grander, to break free from the sun's grasp and drift into the endless night between the stars. Fastened to its side, we placed a golden record, a snapshot of life on Earth. This record carried the sounds of our planet, music, greetings, and glimpses of our civilization. It was our cosmic greeting card, a simple hello from the third rock from the sun. We had no idea if anyone would ever discover it, but sending it was a bold declaration of who we are. The launch on September 5, 1977 was more than a feat of engineering. It was a poetic leap into the cosmos. We tossed a message in a bottle into the cosmic sea, not knowing if it would ever reach a distant shore. The rocket's blaze was a beacon in the darkness, a sign of our determination to defy the void. Voyager 1 was our silent pledge to the universe. We exist, we wonder, and we are explorers at heart. And this journey would one day deliver a final, astonishing message, one that would forever change how we see ourselves. Voyager 1's Odyssey was a stunning display of cosmic strategy, like a billiard shot played on a galactic scale. The mission capitalized on a once-in-176 years planetary lineup, using the gravity of giant planets to catapult itself from one world to the next. This grand tour transformed the massive pull of the gas giants into a cosmic slingshot, turning dreams into reality. First destination, Jupiter. What were once blurry specks in the sky became dazzling, swirling planets before our eyes. Voyager dared to cross Jupiter's intense radiation belts, unveiling its moons as mysterious, intricate worlds. After Jupiter, Voyager was hurled toward Saturn, the solar system's crown jewel. The gravitational boost worked flawlessly, sending Voyager hurtling through space at astonishing speeds. Every day it covered millions of miles, an unspoken tribute to human curiosity and drive. This was more than just smart engineering, it marked the dawn of a new age in exploration. For the first time, we weren't just observing the solar system, we were journeying through it. Voyager 1 became a true explorer, harnessing the might of giant planets to push ever farther. This mission proved that by mastering the laws of nature, we can reach beyond what once seemed impossible. The solar system was no longer out of reach, it was becoming our neighborhood. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached the mighty planet Jupiter, delivering breathtaking images that left the world in awe. The legendary Great Red Spot was exposed as a colossal storm, swirling with power and dwarfing our entire planet. Jupiter's atmosphere burst with color and lightning, an ever-shifting masterpiece. Voyager also uncovered faint, ghostly rings. On Io, we witnessed the most volcanic activity anywhere in the solar system, eruptions painting its surface in real time. And Europa's fractured ice hinted at a hidden ocean below, raising hopes for life beyond Earth. Leaving Jupiter behind, Voyager raced toward Saturn, arriving in 1980. Saturn's rings dazzled us, thousands of delicate ringlets shaped and shepherded by tiny moons. The rings weren't static, they shifted and danced, revealing a complexity we never expected. Voyager also brought us up close to Titan, Saturn's largest moon, shrouded in a mysterious hazy atmosphere. That haze hinted at a world of complex chemistry, possibly even lakes of methane on its surface. To get a better view of Titan, Voyager was sent out of the solar system's plane, ending its planetary encounters and beginning its journey to the stars. After its encounter with Saturn, Voyager 1's mission transformed. It was now venturing into the vast unknown. The once vivid planets faded into mere pinpricks of light, and the sun dwindled to a faint, distant star. Voyager 1 drifted on, utterly alone, a solitary ambassador of humanity braving the endless cosmic night. Its signal weakened with distance, demanding the full power of the Deep Space Network's giant antennas just to catch its faint whisper. Communicating with Earth stretched from minutes to hours and eventually to days. As power supplies dwindled, engineers had to carefully shut down instruments one after another, squeezing every last bit of energy from the spacecraft. Yet despite all obstacles, Voyager 1 became the farthest human-made object from Earth. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's urging, Voyager 1 turned its camera homeward for a final snapshot, capturing Earth as a pale blue dot. That photograph became legendary, a powerful reminder of our tiny place in the vast universe. Afterward, the cameras were switched off for good, preserving precious power for Voyager's long, lonely journey onward. For years, Voyager 1 faithfully transmitted data from the farthest reaches of our solar system. In 2012, it crossed into interstellar space, capturing cosmic rays and mapping the magnetic fields beyond our sun's influence. But in late 2023, something unexpected happened. Voyager's transmissions turned into a chaotic, indecipherable mess. The culprit, the Flight Data System, or FDS, had stopped communicating correctly, likely due to a single failed chip. Although the probe was still sending signals, the information was pure nonsense. At NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, engineers sprang into action, sending instructions across billions of miles of space. The question was daunting: how do you repair a computer chip on a spacecraft 15 billion miles away? Their solution? Ingeniously split the affected code and store it in healthy sections of memory. In April 2024, they sent the fix. The world watched and waited. Suddenly, a breakthrough. Voyager 1 started sending back clear engineering data. It was a stunning victory for human creativity and determination. But as the science data returned, something remarkable caught their attention. The glitch wasn't just random static. Within the corrupted data, a distinct pattern began to form. It was a message, not from extraterrestrials, but from Voyager itself. What Voyager sent back wasn't a simple hello or goodbye, it was something far deeper. As experts pored over the garbled transmission, they discovered a faint looping echo, telemetry from a single, unforgettable instant in Voyager's journey. Voyager's failing FDS had become trapped, endlessly replaying data from February 14, 1990, the day it captured the iconic pale blue dot. For months, the probe quietly repeated its memory of that distant glimpse of home. In a strange twist, our machine had gained a kind of memory, a spectral presence within its circuits. We launched Voyager to speak to the cosmos, hoping to reach other worlds, but its final message circled back to us. That pale blue dot photo marked a turning point, a moment of collective human reflection. Now Voyager echoed that moment as if reminding us, don't lose sight of your delicate, precious home. What began as a technical glitch became a kind of cosmic poetry. Even our machines, it seems, can hold on to a fragment of their mission, a mirror of their creator's hopes. Voyager's final signal was the sound of a machine longing for its origin, a gentle reminder, everything we send into the universe carries a trace of who we are. Voyager 1's odyssey isn't just a tale of scientific achievement, it's a testament to human curiosity and determination. This single mission revolutionized our view of the solar system, transforming distant specks of light into dynamic living worlds. Voyager revealed volcanic landscapes, hidden seas beneath ice, and swirling atmospheric wonders. It taught us that our true home stretches beyond Earth, encompassing the entire solar system, itself just a tiny corner of the Milky Way. The iconic pale blue dot image and Voyager's final message remind us to stay humble and keep our perspective. The golden record sails on, silently carrying our story into the vastness of space. Voyager may outlive our world, our sun, and perhaps even humanity itself. Even now, Voyager 1 presses onward, ancient, distant, but still journeying. It continues to explore, a piece of us venturing through the silent darkness between the stars. Voyager's legacy is clear: stay curious, be courageous, and never stop seeking the unknown. The universe is out there, brimming with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Voyager 1 blazed the trail for us all. Its journey lives on in everyone who gazes up at the stars and dreams of what lies beyond.